any advantage of the crate fuels over E85? So do you want to talk about your hierarchy of fuels and what you would...
Well, no. I mean, so crate fuels over E85?
Mm-hmm. That's just how it's written from Matt.
The only advantage I can see is in a really cold climate. So if you're racing like early fall, or I mean late fall, early spring, I can tell you for a fact that usually the race gas takes off better. So starts, restarts, stuff like that. As far as like, jamming around full throttle, there's really virtually no difference between the really good, highly oxygenated race gases like, I keep bringing up CHP, but I mean, it's probably
Well, there's only so many race fuels out there.
It's the best thing out there. And that and the quads. But between those, yeah, you're going to take off a little bit better just because you're not going to be, freezing up the butterflies, freezing up that idle, that idle transition slot, all that stuff. So.